Hello everyone, today I will to present chapter 5. Title is Ferrous Metal and Alloys, Production, General Properties and Application. My name is Taura Devio Putra Anasya, ID number 24055311072. Under the supervision of Prof. Dr. Cokoda Gede Tirtanidia from the Department of Mechanical Engineering Udayana University. In this chapter, we will explore the importance, production, and classification and application of ferrous metal in modern engineering. Introduction. Ferrous metal dominate engineering because of the strength, abundance, and low cost. They include carbon steels, alloy steels, stainless steels, tool steels, and cast iron. Common products from include sheet steels, structural member, and wire products. Historical, their development evolved from meteoritic iron to today's advanced steelmaking process. Production of iron and steel. Iron and steel production begins with iron ore, limestone, and coke. It plays a crucial role. Iron ore provides the iron content. Limestone removes impurities as slag, and a coke acts as both the fuel and reducing agent. Pig iron and the blast furnace. Pig irons and produced in the blast furnace, a tall structure where chemical reduction reaction transport iron oxides into molten iron. Limestone helps from slag, separating impurities from the molten metal. Table 5.1 provide a general summary of these basic raw material and their roles in the smelting process. Steel making methods. Pig iron is converted into steel through their main methods: the basic oxygen furnace (BOF), the open hearth furnace, and the electrical arc furnace. The process refine composition, reduce impurities, and improve recycling efficiency. Table 5.2 typical show composition of pig iron and the reaction that occur in the furnace, emphasizing the reduction and removal of impurities. Table 5.3 summarize the main difference between these methods, including production time, temperature, and application. Casting of ingots. Molten steel is poured into molds to form ingots. During solidification, problems such as porosity, segregation, and the PIP formation may occur. Controlled cooling and improved mold design minimize this defect. Continuous casting. Continuous casting is a modern improvement over traditional ingot casting. It allows molten metal to be poured continuously and solidified into standards. This process ensures uniformity, better quality, and direct feeding into rolling mills. At table 5.4 outlines common defect in ingot casting and the corresponding control techniques. Carbon and alloy steel. Effect of ferrous element in steels. The properties of steel depend on the presence of alloying elements such as carbon, magnesium, nickel, chromium, molybdenum, vanadium, and tungsten. It affects stress, hardness, ductility, and corrosion resistance. Table 5.1 Application for selected carbon and alloy steel. Residual elements in steel. Residual elements such as hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, and phosphor, can be harmful to steel quality. They can breathless, poor toughness, and reduce ductility. The citations for steels. Steels are standardized by numbering systems such as IEC or SIA and UNS. For example, G413,000 represent IC 4132 alloy steel and T30108 represent IC A8 tool steel. Carbon steel. Carbon steel are classified as low, medium, or high carbon depending on their carbon content. Low carbon steel are soft and ductile. Medium carbon steel balance strength and ductility. High carbon steel are hard and wear resistant. Table 5.2 summarize their mechanical properties and typical application, such as structural beams, gears, and cutting tools. Alloy steel list. Alloy steels contain higher level of alloying element to improve strength, toughness, and heat resistance. They are commonly used in automotive, machinery, and structural components. High strike alloy steel. HLA steels provide high steel strike with alloy weight. They have a microstructure of ferrite mixed with martensite of outside it. Used mainly automotive and construction application. This steel reduce weight without sacrificing durability. At table 5.5 summarize the various grades of stainless steel and the corrosion resistant characteristic. And the table 5.3 typical compressed mechanical properties and composition of different alloy steel. And at the table 5.4 show the typical composition and mechanical behavior of HSLA steels. Ultra high strike steels. Example: increasing fuel economy in automobiles and preserved considerable attention in recent years for both environmental and economic reasons. Regulatory requirements call for automobile manufacturers to achieve corporate average fuel economy standard. To achieve higher fuel economy without compromise in performance or safety, manufacturers have increasingly applied advanced high-strength steel in structural elements of automobiles. For example, the application for steel in the Ford 500 automobile in show in Fig. 5.6 note that although 60% of the steel in this automobile is mild steels and associated with body panels and transmission and engine components, structural components are exposing the higher strike to wide than advanced high strike steels. Advanced high strike steel application in the Ford 500 use advanced high strike steel by wide variant. B. Structural component and alloys used. Table 5.5 summarize the various grades of stainless steel and their corrosion resistant characteristics. Tool and D-steel. Tool and D-steel are designed for cutting, forming, and shaping materials under high stress. The content toughness, molybdenum, chromium, and vanadium to enhance hardness and heat resistance. Table 5.6, Table 5.7, 5.8, and Table Point 7. Provide classification and application of this steel in international tooling. Summary. In conclusion, ferrous metals are versatile, strong, and cost-effective materials that serve as the foundation of modern engineering. Advancements like continuous costing and secondary refining have improved production quality. Ferrous metal include carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, and tool steel, each with unique properties. Modern steel such as microalloyed, nanoalloyed, TRIP, and TWIP steels represent the last of recent material science. Thank you for attention.